Hi guys, welcome back. I just got home from work and Duke and I went outside. I just stopped and get some gas and then we took Duke out for a walk and now I am here editing. I have a couple videos that are going up in the next little bit. You guys seem to like our anniversary vlog, which is so exciting because, let me see if I can set you guys somewhere. Holy cow, it is so hot. So since you guys are liking the vlog that I posted for our 1-year anniversary, that means to me, and this is how I'm taking it, is that I'm gonna start posting 2 to 3 videos a week on this channel. I have 3 planned out, but I'm making like all new banners and logos and everything, and on my banner for my YouTube channel, it says 2 videos a week. So I'm gonna do Tuesdays and Thursdays for sure. Saturdays, if I can get a video up. I'm gonna really shoot for 3 videos a week, but 2 to 3 videos a week, and it's gonna be a mix of DIYs, vlogs, lifestyle videos, routines, all that kind of stuff. I finally made the decision, I've talked about it for a long time, and I finally made the decision to go ahead and make one channel for all of it, and I'm super excited about it. I hope you guys are excited too. A lot more content is coming out a lot more frequently, so 3 videos a week. Oh, I'm so excited. So I'm editing and putting the final touches on tomorrow's video, and then I'm gonna get just everything else kind of rolling. I'm gonna edit and finish that video, and I'm gonna touch up my makeup because as soon as Riley gets home, which will be in like 25-30 minutes, we are leaving to the fair. So I'm gonna touch up my makeup, edit this, and then we're going to the fair. We are on our way to the fair. There's been another outfit change because, no joke, the shoes that are comfortable and that I wanted to wear didn't match the shirt that I was wearing. Like, my shoes and shirt didn't go together, so I changed my whole outfit again. But much more comfy, much more ready for the fair. Rai-Rai's home and we're going to the fair, and I'm so excited! Loving my baby, nobody. We are at a penguin high dive, so some penguins hopefully are gonna dive off those. How excited are you?
For the Arctic High Dive Olympic Show! Alright. So I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Mabruk, and I am an Arctic High Dive Olympic coach. And as an Arctic High Dive Olympic coach, I have these wonderful, wonderful penguins. I can't wait for you guys to see them. They are going to put on a great show for you guys. But there's only one problem, guys. I can't find my penguins. Get him up there! Kick him up there, new way! Hey! Alright, perfect! Alright, this is Penguin Eddie and Penguin Chili. Let's go, guys! And clap it up for Penguin Chili and Penguin Eddie! Great job, guys! Alright, Penguin Chili. Let's go, Penguin Chili. Hey! 1, 2, 3. Woo! Did Penguin Doofy deserve a treat? No. My penguin. So I'm gonna need you to throw one up there because he is hungry. He won't get grumpy real soon. You can throw it up there anytime. It's alright. Alright, guys. And next up, up. I know you guys don't believe penguins can fly, but this is a very, very special penguin who's here to prove that they can indeed fly. Penguin Eddie, show us some hang time. Oh, great thinking. Stretch those wings. Brilliant. Big tears to my eyes. How good is getting. Clap it up for Penguin Eddie. Go ahead and throw Penguin Eddie a treat. Raise the bow. All right, what is that penguin machine? Now, all right, these penguins are in that partying mood now. Okay, don't join the penguin goofy now.
Oh my gosh, there's another season.
You want your corn dog? Or do you want?
I definitely thought they were gonna be real penguins. I'm very sad. Yeah. Did we get an extra honey butter or just this one?
Just that.
Hi, buddy.
Hey, don't be mean.
you. Look, over here. Look, over here. Look, look. I got it. Yeah, yeah. I'm in heaven. I love this.
Hey, you're being very mean to your snowman.
Oh.
Thank the photo.
Hi, Bubba.
Hey, Bush. Are you okay? Yes, you are. You're eating something.
That was so sad. First puppy we saw was a Labradoodle. And I just wanted to scoop him up and eat him. He was so cute. And then we went to the back and there was little baby puppies. Like little puppies. This is not good. I literally was crying. People were just staring at me and I'm like, I'm sorry. Puppies. What do we even do now at the fair? We're heading towards the rides, but we're not gonna ride them because it doesn't like rides. I do too. Nice. Okay, well, maybe we'll ride the rides. So we just got back from the fair and it ended a little unexpectedly. It ended in a lot of tears and lots of sadness. So we went and played some games, we walked around, and we realized we wanted to go back to the puppies. Stop, please, stop. There's a little black Labradoodle. She was 3 months old and she was so cute. She was so calm, she was so mellow. She just like didn't care about anything. She was so snuggly when we held her. So we went back to see her and we were really seriously talking about getting her, bringing her home tonight, because she was laying on dirt and rocks. Like, I'm not kidding, rocks were underneath her. Like, she was just laying on the ground of the fair, like the fairground ground. And we were really considering getting her and talking about it, but our house only allows 2 dogs and they have to be under 25 pounds each. And I bet you she probably weighed 15, 20 pounds already. She's 3 months old. I mean, she's gonna be a big dog. And so I texted somebody who works like in our management and they're like, sorry, they have to be under 25, which is okay. It kind of helped us like realize like we can't have her, she's too big, we can't have another puppy right now. Like, we're trying to have a baby. Having a kid is a little bit more important right now. We have Duke, who likes to terrorize my socks right there. But like, he's just so cute. We love him so much. And of course, like, I want to get him a sibling. I want him to have another puppy to be with, but that's just not the right one for our family. And it was really sad. I literally was crying in the booth, and then we left to go get a bottle of water before we went home. We were going to talk about it, and I was just crying. Cried the whole way home. It's probably a 25-minute drive. Cried the whole way home. You can hear it in my nose. I'm super nasally, but that is not how I expected our fair day to go. Last year they didn't even have puppies. Like, they only had cats. So I really didn't think they'd have puppies. They had so many puppies, but she was the saddest and the cutest. But that's all for the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed. There is a whole slew of videos coming after this. We do 2 to 3 videos a week on this channel. Mixture of vlogs, DIYs, lifestyle videos, routines, cleaning, all of that kind of stuff. So make sure you're subscribed and that you're sharing these videos. We love you guys, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye!